Trump's administrative overhaul faces mounting legal challenges. Opponents argue the changes are unconstitutional and harmful. The courts will ultimately decide the fate of these sweeping reforms. Legal battles rage over Trump's administration overhaul. Critics cite procedural irregularities and potential conflicts of interest. The legal challenges could significantly delay or even halt the changes. The Trump administration's controversial overhaul is embroiled in legal disputes. Judges are weighing the merits of various lawsuits challenging its legality and impact. The outcome remains uncertain. Numerous lawsuits challenge the legality of Trump's administrative changes. These legal challenges focus on issues of due process and executive overreach. A long legal fight is anticipated. Trump's federal overhaul is under intense scrutiny from the courts. Multiple lawsuits allege violations of established legal precedents and norms. The legal battles are expected to be protracted. The legal challenges to Trump's administrative changes intensify daily. Opponents claim the reforms are detrimental to public interest and democratic processes. The future is unclear. A flurry of lawsuits targets Trump's controversial federal overhaul. Arguments center on alleged abuse of power and disregard for established legal frameworks. The judiciary holds the key. Legal experts analyze the merits of the lawsuits against Trump's overhaul. Concerns about potential corruption and lack of transparency are prominent. The court's decisions are crucial. The Trump administration defends its overhaul against a wave of legal challenges. The administration maintains the reforms are necessary and legally sound. The legal process will determine the truth. Judges are grappling with complex legal arguments in the Trump overhaul cases. The sheer volume of litigation underscores the controversy surrounding these reforms. Justice will prevail. Public opinion is sharply divided on Trump's federal overhaul and its legal battles. The debate highlights fundamental disagreements about governance and the rule of law. The future hangs in the balance. The legal challenges to Trump's overhaul could redefine executive power. The Supreme Court may ultimately decide the scope of presidential authority. Significant implications are at stake. Experts predict protracted legal battles surrounding Trump's administrative changes. The outcome will have far-reaching consequences for federal agencies and policies. Uncertainty prevails. The Trump administration's legal strategy is facing intense criticism. Accusations of obstruction and manipulation add to the controversy. The legal challenges are substantial. Financial implications of the legal battles over Trump's overhaul are significant. Taxpayer dollars fund the defense of these controversial actions. Accountability is demanded. The ongoing legal challenges significantly hinder the implementation of Trump's overhaul. This delays intended reforms and generates uncertainty for affected parties. The legal process drags on. Trump's legacy may hinge on the outcome of these far-reaching legal battles. His administrative changes face unprecedented scrutiny. History will judge the results. The courts are tasked with determining the constitutionality of Trump's administrative actions. This involves a careful examination of legal precedents and constitutional principles. Justice must be served. Political implications of the legal challenges to Trump's overhaul are profound. The battles influence the political landscape and public perception. The stakes are high. Media coverage of the legal challenges to Trump's overhaul is extensive. The ongoing litigation fuels public discourse and political debate. the truth will eventually surface. The legal challenges represent a significant test of the American judicial system. The courts must navigate complex legal arguments and political pressures. Impartiality is key. Independent oversight is crucial in the legal challenges surrounding Trump's overhaul. Fair and unbiased judgments are essential to upholding the rule of law. Transparency is necessary. The legal battles may set important precedents for future administrations. The outcome will impact the balance of power between branches of government. The long-term consequences are vast. International observers are closely monitoring the legal challenges to Trump's overhaul. The outcome will have implications for global governance and international relations. The world watches.